This 1967 Chevrolet Corvette is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 427 Big Block JCL 68 427C 400 HP Tri-Power Engine Optional 4-speed manual transmission Black leather seats Power windows Power brakes Power steering Telescoping steering wheel Air conditioning Side exhaust pipes Shoulder belts Red line tires AM, FM radio 900 Tuxedo Black exterior Black interior Dealer code is Zone 3827. The build dated February 27, 1967 Weber, Chevrolet St. Louis. Mo, please feel free to call us, 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 427 400 HP is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a missed